Right now, as you're watching this, your iPhone is collecting your location, listening through your microphone, and quietly sending your personal data to corporations you've never even heard of. And the worst part? Apple turned all of this on by default. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to shut it all down, step by step, inside your iPhone settings. Let's get into it. Step 1. Open Settings and kill cross-app tracking first. Grab your iPhone and open the Settings app. Scroll down to Privacy and Security and tap it. This one section is basically the control room for everything we're doing today. Tap on Tracking near the top. This single toggle gives apps permission to follow your behavior across completely different companies, websites, and platforms. Your actions inside one app can be packaged and shared with businesses you've never interacted with. Your messages, browsing patterns, purchase habits, all of it. Switch this off. And if any apps appear in the list underneath, kill those individually too. Step 2. Location services plus system services together. Now, without leaving Privacy and Security, scroll all the way back to the top and tap Location Services. You'll immediately see every app on your phone that has location access. That little arrow icon next to an app, that means it pulled your location recently. Go through this list. Anything that doesn't genuinely need your location, tap it and set it to Never. Be thorough here. Most apps have no real reason to know where you are. But here's where it gets deeper. Scroll all the way to the bottom of that list and tap System Services. This is Apple's own backdoor into your location. Some of these are legitimate. Emergency calls and SOS, Find My iPhone. Keep those. But things like Apple Pay merchant identification or location-based suggestions, you don't need to be tracked for those to work. Now tap into Significant Locations and Routes. Buried right here is one of the most invasive features on your entire phone. Apple is literally maintaining a private log of your home address, your workplace, your friends' houses, and the exact routes you travel between them, all saved, all sent to Apple. There is zero benefit to you for this being on. Turn it off and hit Clear History to wipe what's already been collected. While you're still in System Services, scroll to Product Improvement and disable Improve Maps and improve location accuracy. Done here, let's go back. Step 3. Analytics, Diagnostics and Advertising, the Money section. Back in Privacy and Security, scroll toward the bottom and tap Analytics and Improvements. This is where Apple gets uncomfortably personal. Every toggle in this section is a different way your phone is being used as a data collection device. One setting tracks your hand-washing gestures and nearby audio when you're in the bathroom. Another sends your workout history, heart rate data, and approximate location, all tied together, directly to Apple servers. There's even one that quietly scans the physical buildings and environment around you to improve augmented reality accuracy. None of this improves your experience in any way you'd actually notice. Turn off every single toggle here. Now go back one screen and tap Apple Advertising, right below Analytics. This is the section where Apple monetizes everything it's collected. It builds a behavioral profile from how you use your phone and sells that targeting data to advertisers, including companies like Meta and Google, so they can serve you more precise ads. It's switched on by default because it's profitable for Apple, not because it helps you in any way. Turn this off. That's it. 4 key areas, all locked down. Your iPhone is no longer quietly feeding your personal data to Apple and third-party companies. If this helped you, drop a like, subscribe, and share this with someone who has no idea their phone is doing all of this. See you in the next one.